How can you translate basic discovery into more precise and potent anti-cancer therapies? Thanks to the support received from our public patron, the Government of Catalonia, and our private patrons, the VHIO Foundation, Selex Foundation, VHIO Foundation, and BBVA Foundation, this is how we do it. Founded and first directed by Jose Baselga and now under the leadership of Josep Tabernero, VHIO bridges preclinical and clinical research, making the link from bench to bedside and back again. A virtuous cycle of knowledge and innovation that can transform cancer treatment and care. After opening its doors in 2006, VHIO grew from strength to strength and later moved to its state-of-the-art Selex building, ideally situated within the Vall d'Hebron Barcelona hospital campus. It has direct access to patients as well as the entire spectrum of oncology professionals who care for them. So it really is bench to bedside, all in one incredible location. Two years after we were founded, we opened our Breast Cancer Center, which was especially designed to connect all specialities in multidisciplinary teams. And our research unit for molecular therapies of cancer, VHIO, 2 years after that, to pioneer early drug discovery and clinical studies tailored to the specifications of patients. Today, we are making exciting progress. We now have over 300 researchers dedicated purely to translational and multidisciplinary cancer research excellence. Together, we are producing more and more practice-changing research each year, which is advancing personalized and targeted therapies against cancer. With this foundation behind us, the future could take us, well, anywhere, taking more exciting new discoveries from the laboratory bench and applying them to the patient's bedside where it really matters. We will continue to work at the pinnacle of translational research, working hard for cancer patients everywhere to translate discovery into hope.